Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add custom fields on Asana website. So first of all, of course, you'd like just to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, in my case, I'm actually here using Brave, but for you, you can use any other browser. It could be possibly working for you or suit you. Then after opening the browser, just go here to the URL and type asana.com and hit the enter button. So of course, when you do that, as you can see, that will actually be your home or your main screen. But first of all, you would like to go and log in into your account. But if you don't have an account, don't panic or anything, just go and create your account. You can even create your account with a Gmail if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. Sorry. So of course, as I said, after logging into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And of course, from here you can actually like create projects, create tasks, create teams, and do a lot of stuffs, of course, by just go here and click at create, do whatever you want from here. But as we said, we would like to add some custom fields. So if you want to add some custom fields, all you need to do, just go here to the search bar. Of course, you'll find this on the main page or the home page or even the home screen. Just go to there. And of course, from here, so from here, you'd like to go here and click at advanced search. So as you can see, when we clicked on advanced search, we have here a lot of options. So of course, if you like, so as you can see, we have a lot of options assigned to in any of these projects. Collaborators includes completion, due date, and of course you don't have the add custom. So all you need to do, just go here to add filters, click on it, and as you can see, you'll have the option of add custom field. So of course, when you click on it, you'll find this option right here, and of course you can start typing the name of the field. So for me, I'm just gonna name it test and click at the enter button. So for me, no match found, but of course you'd like to type whatever you would like to find here, and you'll be actually good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.